What's up, YouTube? Mike Smith Film Blog here. Yeah, so listen. I haven't made any videos in a while. I apologize for that. Not much I can say about that, really. I guess I just haven't had enough time, really. Again, I apologize. Basically, this is an apology video. I just wanted to apologize. I had planned to do a ton of stuff. I needed to do my community recap for the last two episodes of the season. Reviews. I saw a ton of movies over December, but the end of the semester came up with me. I had a lot of finals, and the holidays and all that, all that jazz. So I haven't had a ton of time to make videos, but I'm going to try to get back into it now. So I just wanted to let you guys know that. I'm going to be, by the end of the week, I'm going to have my top 10 movies of 2011 up on YouTube, so you can look forward to that. And hopefully you can get a review of Tinker Tailor Soldier Spy in. So yeah, I'm definitely going to try to get back on this. So again, apologies to all my die-hard fans. I know there are several of you, like 2, maybe even 3. Who knows? So yeah, that's all. That's all I really wanted to do. Sorry, I'm talking a little low. People are sleeping upstairs. It's all good. So that's all I really needed to say. So I'll see you guys later. YouTube. Catch you on the flip side. Mike Smith Film Blog.